must be nearby. Using elemental sight, you can even detect magic. Follow the flow of magic.
Ruins? The Mondstadt people do have some strange quirks.
Please do not jump to such a preposterous conclusion. This seems far more likely to be the work of some none-too-friendly troublemakers. Stealing books is hardly the hilly churl's stuff. All they would use books for is to keep their campfire. This is more likely to be the Abyss Order's doing. Also, there's an elemental seal at the entrance.
A seal? How are we gonna break it?
Not to worry. If you think a little magic can...
Why is that?
What the fuck?
Come on.
Whoa! So this is what we...
What the what? Esa lista. ¿Ya compraste?
It's so much bigger in here than Paimon thought. Do we really have to go all the way inside?
If you borrow a book, you have to return it. There will be no exceptions.